Where are we going, Mom?
Going to church ruins.
We're going to church ruins, and we're on a dirt road. For some reason, this road isn't paved. It's, like, what is it, Sullivan's Beach Road or something? Oh, now it's paved again, but I don't know why they haven't paved that. But we're gonna be there soon enough, so, yeah, that... So we're taking a quick stop before we get there at this Carolina Cherry Company, some historic store with like pies and stuff like that. And this is off of Highway 17 in Beaufort County. Is that good, Isla? Well, that's it. Now we're gonna head on to that church. So we are here now at this burnt down church that was rebuilt and then burnt down again. I think that's what happened. But I had to park on the other side of the road. Well, I mean, I didn't drive, but we had to. And yeah, because for some reason you're not able, like, there's no parking right there. But you can see that's what it is. That's pretty cool. This is a sign that says what it is. Okay, well, I'm not going to read that, but you can pause and see what it says. I mean, I'm not going to read it aloud. So, yeah, this thing's kind of like a graveyard. So you can't go past that fence. I don't think so. But there's lots of graves of some random people. Don't really know who. But yeah, this is definitely cool. Like, I saw this online of a cool place, like one of the cool places to go to, South Carolina, and this is one of them. So, if you see that, this is the Church of Prince William's Parish, known as Sheldon, built between 1745 and 1755, burned once by the Revolutionary War, then rebuilt, then I guess 1865 it got burned down again because of the Civil War, who knows, but that's kind of weird. But anyways, that's the deal with this. Oh, well, this is the grave of Mary and Joe. Oh, well, I think that's probably John. The end got, I don't know, burnt off. I don't know, but
was that the people
the
he
bulls
was telling you about?
Well, this was really cool, so, that would be it. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and that'll be it.